Amra Ministry of Gender and Social Protection. And yeah, we TV, you know, and International Day for a Child Day and Ra. And so, yeah, but say a show be kakran kwada no sentia ya de bi omuso omo kasa say ebuma ya yan you know omo nkai na emisa omo so omo hawo na yetumi dia hyem na yetumi aboa wo omo mpuntuo ene omo nkai nko so de me chenti nei minister Maami Otiko afisa jaba why na dwen say afidie oben no soronko wo advocate say be ya ye betumi atem manka wo mo e sebi o edi dem ye beti omo nka brebi ene wo betimi edi ministers ada no ye that day na ye celebrate wo mo no wo betimi di amama wo positions ni ade na wo acting out na ahwese de be ko no normal school nkwade ye wo rich church school no na ene tree program de so nkwade ye ya na ye se nkwale be nde kasa brofu ya anti wo be na fe wo katwi out o so ne kan na akwaye den ye wo first lady wo mentem ha ye wo doctor ni e wa ha ena ye wo MP e wa ha sayi ena afa ye wo teacher ni ya wo be kira ade enti na yi wo de beteme ye be ka borofo no kakra mankwada ye atumi a kire made ya ye be kire made ya wo mepane na menya first lady na minim se bia said kwame boati project no wo ko bia no so ye de ni na obe ye me ahwe na watumi ahunu de ekọ ne ade a. What's your name?
Mansa Judah.
Yo Mansa, where are you from?
I'm from Cool.
From which school?
From Richard School.
Okay, today into now to
Oh.
What's your name too?
Beaches Butchie.
Okay. And then from Richard, what class are you in?
Form 3.
Form 3. So you're about to write your exam, right?
Yes.
You two in class?
Form 3.
Form 3, wow. Okay, into senior. And then we come to you. What's your name?
Gehatina Lily Lutrot.
Okay, what form are you in?
Form 2.
From the same school, right?
Yes, Richard School.
Right. And then you are?
Georgina Chothia.
Okay, so you are in form what?
Norm class 6.
Oh, okay, right, great. Okay, so you're going to be the doctor here, right?
Yes, please.
And then you will be the teacher?
Yes, please.
And then you are an MP?
Yes,
Ebuakwa North, right?
Yes.
Okay, right. And then you would be our first lady. So you'll be the last because you are our mother this morning. Let me start with the member of parliament for Ebuakwa. As a member of parliament, what would you be doing?
You have to make sure that you see to the problems in your constituency and you report them to the parliament, and you also help solve some of the problems.
For instance, let's say that we are in the campaign season, into your campaigning, now you vote. Now you act it out, let's see how you're going to go about it.
There are a lot of problems facing girls in Ghana right now. Most girls are not able to go to school because of some cultural practices. And when you vote for me, I'll see to it that girls go to school and people who deny girls of their rights should be punished.
Okay, so what are some of the challenges you see? But like I said, wherever you live, there would be issues around, hoping that your parliamentarian will do it. You're a member of parliament for Ebuakwa North. What are some of the issues you would love to tackle? For instance, where you live, not necessarily Ebuakwa North.
There are people who live in the streets, but they don't have a shelter over their heads. So it would be best if we are able to gather the street children, and let's say if they don't have parents, we take them to an orphanage so that they can get good care.
Said I been catch on a couple of Fachabe, Ale, as I say, and a dasrum kuma, and don't see my name quite a sweet, dear, and quite a tea be from Menumu. I heard said in the Miano Cressa or Mocasa, yen tea or monka, yang ma or more answer or my drain, a memoon, no fasobi or swana. If we are given a position in the ministry, which one would you want to do?
Minister of Gender.
Oh, okay, right, that's fine. Why? Because of a girl child?
Yes, please.
Okay, why do you think we should promote a girl child?
Because girls are not being treated fairly in the world. We are all people. I'm not saying that girls can do everything that a boy can do, but a girl is capable of doing something to change the world.
When you grow up, what do you want to be?
I have a lot of decisions.
That is what these kids keep saying. Maybe I could besides that I'm still thinking about it. At this time of the day, a lot of decisions. Yes, I do also. As was one doctor, may say, but at this point, who said their reasoning is different, so they would want to assess first. Think about it. And so I'm making move now. Let me come to my teacher. It's saying,
Yeah.
Yeah, now Becca. So what are we going to teach today? And what school are we going to teach in?
Okay, I'm going to educate students on the environment and how the various activities they do affect it. And I'm going to be teaching this at Richard School.
Okay, so social studies, right?
Yes, please.
All right, go ahead. I'm your student today, and you are my teacher. Yes, madam. Good morning.
Good morning. Okay, so today I'll be teaching the environment. So can you tell me anything you know about the environment?
I've seen a Ross mountain. I can see some grasses, and sometimes you can see sand and stuff like that.
Wonderful. Okay, the environment refers to the things that surround man. So everything you just said, they can be grouped into two. We have the natural things and the artificial things.
Come close to me, madam. Yes, go ahead.
We have the natural things and the artificial things. The natural things are the things made by God, while the artificial things are man-made. So you gave some examples such as grass, we have trees, and those are natural things. And then for the artificial things, we have roads, we have buildings. You can see them all around here. Okay, so now I'm going to the types of environment.
That's your lesson notes, right?
Yes, please. Okay, now I'm going to the types of environments. We have two types of environments, the physical environment and then the social environment. The word physical means visible, something you can see. Yes, please. So the physical environment refers to the things that you can see and touch. We mentioned those things earlier on. And now we move on to the social environment. Okay, the social environment refers to the things that are common to a group of people in a given society. So let me take the school, for instance. We have rules and regulations, we have attitudes and values that people abide by in the school. Okay, so now I'm going to the relationship between the physical environment and the social environment. Okay, they are interdependent. That means they depend on each other. Without the physical environment, the social environment cannot be, and without the social environment, the physical environment cannot be. So now we go to environmental degradation.
You give me effects first. Just jump to the effects.
Okay, let's move to the effects. I'm starting with air pollution, which is the release of harmful substances into the atmosphere. The effects, it could lead to health problems. You see, during, like when people mine, the dust is released into the atmosphere. And when the dust settles on the leaf has something called the stomata, they are pores. And when the dust settles on these pores, the leaf will not be able to breathe. Like, hold your nose for a few seconds. You notice that you won't be able to, you won't be able to breathe. So that's the same way the plants feel.
Wow. And to me teacher need to watch them, my dear. Social studies, watch and simple, I know them too. Form 3, Form 2. And I watch social studies simple. And they watch the environment. Said ya sitting musity who Diana was a cow, 2 see the watch them and said one more 2 from a good year. So we said that's the pier now. How we bet me the Abania, the Diana, or the Atremina. Baby, they could in the near little and walk watching. Yeah, watch them. I'm a doctor. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, come close to me, rather. Come close to me. Yeah. So, what's in your bag?
My notebook.
Oh, I thought it was a stethoscope. What do you call it?
The stethoscope.
Yeah, I'm about to my homework and stuff like that. Okay, so what will you be doing? Have you done it already, or you're going to be doing it today?
I've done it already.
How was it? What did you do?
I asked the patient how he was feeling. I gave him his medication.
So, what did the patient say when you asked?
He told me that by God's grace he's fine. But
why did the patient come? Okay.
But he has hypertension. So he told me that he's been taking his medicines every day. So he's feeling better.
So what do you know about hypertension?
I know it's high blood pressure.
That's about it. So what medication did you give?
I don't really know the name.
With the help of the doctor was inside, right?
Yes, please.
Okay, so how was it like? Did you try to use whatever they use in there? Did you wear the white whatever?
The lab coat, yes.
So how many hours did you spend there?
I spent a few minutes.
And so would you like to be a doctor when you grow up?
Yes.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh, why? For kids or elderly people?
For kids.
For kids. Wow. Okay. And Obi Honona is a doctor in classes. Was one no hypertension, watch them at the high blood pressure. Obi any idea rated to your radin yakopon. Yeah, I mean, will be Munkan, may Jana teacher. I'm an afan Quadania, the papa, come close to me, my first lady, Mama Rebecca Akufado. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Wow. So, how was it like yesterday sitting in her chair for about 3 hours?
It was very nice. It was very...
You met her there?
Yes.
How did she welcome you in there?
She was very kind. She was very welcoming. Very...
Wow. So what did you do within the 3 hours? What exactly did you do?
Well, I come in the morning, sit in her chair. Then the communications officer came to brief me on the news for the day, which was the atomic junction.
What did he say?
Oh, they said that they wanted to provide a fund to help the people who are affected by the Atomic Junction.
We did kind of what ye, mammy, one cow baby. And today was the first lady so pissy cabin or the Badwam more pre-prayer. Nucro yebi, one also the beat was continue now.
And then we moved on to, they came to brief me about the different projects that they were doing. First one was the Girl Child Education Fund. Then there was the Confanoshi Teaching Hospital. They said that they would get that one ready very soon. Then they also came to talk about a Rochas Foundation in Nigeria. They are taking 3 girls from Ghana and 2 boys to go to a school in Nigeria, which is completely free. It's mainly for intelligent girls, but intelligent girls who are not deprived from financial aid. So they are giving that financial aid to children from Ghana to be able to go in school in Nigeria for free.